How to do a boomerang on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually do a boomerang effect on Instagram. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Instagram app to the latest version. So you can head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box you can type in Instagram and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, you simply want to open Instagram, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. So go ahead and simply log into your account. After you are logged in, you can see basically that this is how the home interface of the Instagram is actually going to look like. Now what you can do is first of all tap on the Your Story button right over here. Once you tap on Your Story, simply select camera, and in order to actually create a boomerang effect, what we can do is on the right hand side you'll be able to see this boomerang icon or this loop icon right over here. This is actually the boomerang effect which you want to use. So tap on it right over here. As you tap on boomerang, at the bottom also you'll be able to see this boomerang icon. So what you want to do is now we want to hold and record our video in order to add it to the boomerang effect. So I'm going to simply go ahead and hold to record my video. So after you've actually updated and actually recorded your video right over here, you can see now it is currently in the boomerang effect. It is moving to and fro and upwards and backwards as well. You can see it is currently in the boomerang effect right over here. Now you could go ahead and add this to your story by tapping on the Your Story at the button, or you could also go ahead and tap on the Your Close Friend list and then go ahead and customize to whom you want to actually send the story to as well. This was the way on how you could very easily do a boomerang effect on Instagram. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.